Ever pondered the thrill of kickstarting your career with a global IT powerhouse like Infosys? Before applying, grab a pen and paper to note down the details required for your application. Well, allow us to clear the air and guide you through the application process in a few simple steps. Firstly, gather the necessary personal information. This includes your name, email address, phone number, residential address, date of birth, college roll number, a recent photograph, and of course, your updated resume. To make your resume ATS, applicant tracking system friendly, follow these steps. 1. Use a simple format. Avoid fancy designs like tables, graphics, or images, as ATS struggles to read them. Use standard fonts like Arial, Calibri, or Times New Roman. Stick to a clean layout with clear sections and proper headings. 1. Use keywords. Review the job description carefully. Incorporate relevant keywords, for example, skills, tools, or certifications mentioned in the job posting. Use variations if possible, for example, both project manager and project management. 1. Use standard headings label sections clearly, for example, contact information professional summary work experience, education skills certifications. Avoid creative headings like About Me or Achievements box. 1. Stick to common file types. Save your resume as a PDF or docs file. These are ATS-compatible formats. 1. Avoid columns and special formatting. ATS reads left to right, top to bottom, so avoid using multiple columns. Avoid symbols, logos, or images. 1. Focus on measurable achievements. Use bullet points to describe responsibilities and accomplishments. Include metrics or numbers where possible, for example, increased revenue by 20% or managed a team of 15 developers. 1. Include contact information. Add your phone number, email address, and LinkedIn profile at the top. 1. Test your resume copy and paste your resume into a plain text editor like Notepad. If it looks disorganized, it may not pass the ATS. Next, collate your educational details. Starting from your 10th grade, include your CGPA, the name of your board, school, the year you passed out, and the state and country of your institution. Do the same for your 12th grade. If you have a diploma, specify your specialization, the institute you studied at, the university it's affiliated to, the year you passed, and the state and country. Repeat this process for your graduation and post-graduation details as well. If you make it to the shortlist, you'll need to provide information for a background check, such as any legal proceedings, sanctions, or investigations you may have been involved in. Additionally, during the interview process, you will have facial images captured for advanced AI/ML-based facial analysis. Wondering why we collect this data? We use it to manage the recruitment process and ensure a smooth, fraud-free experience for you. It also helps us send you reminders for interviews, feedback, and updates through IVR calls. If selected, your data assists us in managing employment-related activities and sending surveys and feedback emails. Moreover, it aids in internal recruitment status management and compliance with applicable labor laws. Rest assured, your personal data is shared strictly with authorized recipients such as our internal teams, recruitment, HR, finance, and leadership. It may also be shared with authorized service providers and vendors for specific processes, and government bodies and statutory authorities, as required by law. Your personal data may also be securely transferred to Infosys offices or authorized service providers' servers across the globe. To apply, simply visit the link showing in the screen. We take data security seriously. Infosys implements robust administrative, physical, and technical controls to protect your personal data. It is securely stored on our servers in India and those of our authorized service providers. Your personal data will be retained only as long as necessary for recruitment and legal requirements. Once it's no longer required, it'll be securely disposed of. So, why wait? Unleash your potential and join the ranks of a global leader in technology and innovation. Apply for the Infosys Freshers recruitment process today and embark on a journey of endless opportunities.